removing the LCD from the HP Probook X360. So first we need to get a Phillips head P0 bit on a screwdriver and unscrew these 4 screws. There's one right there, one right there, one right there, and one right there. Now we can flip the LCD up and out. And so now we can get the cable disconnected from the LCD. There's some tape right here that secures the connector to the, some extra tape here that helps secure the connector in there. So we're just gonna can use this metal spudger right here to peel up the tape. It's nice to start right here so it peels up perfectly, but you want to make sure you're not putting too much pressure or the tape might break or it will just damage the cable, as the tape is part of the cable after all. And you can get your fingernails in here too. And once you have the whole edge of the tape peeled up, you can just peel the rest of it by hand. Once you have the tape off, you can take an opening tool like this and just carefully lift that locking bar up, and now we can slide the cable out and your LCD is free. Installing the LCD now, so we just have to bring the LCD back and place it in front of it where the cable is, and just take the cable, connect it in there to the little connector, and once you've done that, once you have it connected, you can go ahead and push down the locking bar. Still struggling to get connected because I have this at a weird angle. Once you got it connected, you can push down the locking bar and get the locking bar secured into place, and push down the tape on top of that. And now you can flip down the LCD and install the 4 Phillips head screws with a P0 driver bit. Now all that's left to do would be to install the digitizer again. That will be in another video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.